Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Surds. Here we are, a question involving surds. It's a question 15. It's worth 4 marks. Let's have a look. First of all, we've got root 3 to the power of 5. So that is root 3 times root 3 times root 3 times root 3 times root 3. And that would be root 3 times root 3 is 3, right? Times root 3 times root 3 is 3 times root 3. So that is 9 root 3. So k would be 9. Now, just out of interest, I wonder if I put that straight into my calculator, whether I'd get the answer. Let's have a look. Open bracket, root 3, close bracket, to the power of 5. Let's try again. I press shift equals then. Open bracket, root 3, close bracket, to the power of 5. No, it doesn't give it to me in surd form, so you couldn't cheat and use your calculator for that one. Okay, show that 21 over 3 minus root 2 can be written like that. I'm going to be rationalizing the denominator here. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom, not by 3 minus root 2, but by 3 plus root 2. Now, the top will give me 21 times 3, 63, plus 21 times root 2. And the bottom will be, if you want a quick hand with that, you could write it out separately here and work it out. 3 times 3 is 9. Then I'm going to have 3 root 2s and minus 3 root 2s, so they're going to go. And then I've got minus root 2 times root 2, which will be minus 2. So the bottom will equal 7. And now look at that. You can divide the top by 7, can't you? 7 is going to 63 and into 21. So it's going to be 9 plus 3 root 2. And there you are. That is my original surd, my original fraction, written as something plus... Oh, not quite. Look, because it says root d. And I've got it written as something root 2. So I'm going to need to take that 3, put it into the square root. So this is going to be 9 plus the square root of 9 times 2. So the answer they're looking for is 9 plus root 18. And that's an easy mark to miss there. I think you get 2 out of 3 for that. But to get full marks on that, 2 out of 3. But to get full marks, you would need to write the answer as 9 plus root 18. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.